Hello everyone, welcome back to your channel. If you're visiting to your channel for a first time, then this is my small introduction. I'm thankful for each and every member because it's just you and just you who is helping me and this channel to grow. I thoroughly enjoy learning and sharing software development languages and technologies with you. It's a mission which I am trying to drive to share knowledge with everyone whose aim is to establish career in software. Please keep watching, sharing and motivating others to subscribe to your channel. Also press the bell icon to never miss the updates. Thank you. Let's start learning.
So in today's video, I'm going to cover how we can give our admin 201 maintenance certification, because admin maintenance certification Trailhead module is available now. So we all have to give this particular maintenance Trailhead module we have to complete so that we can save our certifications. Now, in this video, I'm directly going to show you how you can complete the challenge which the Salesforce has given to you to complete this particular module. The detail of what new things they have they have discussed in this module, I will be covering in a separate video, and link I will provide in the description of this video. Also, this module link I will provide in the description of this video so that you can directly either copy and paste in the on the browser, and then you can complete the module, or you simply click on it and you can directly the following the solution you can complete in your Trailhead. So let me go down here. This module, once you will complete, you can you will be able to earn 500 points. Now this is expired, so let me create one playground. So my playground is ready. I'm clicking on launch. Click on set. Object manager. And in the object manager, you have to search task. Click on task. And why? Because they create a restriction rule on task. So it's a restriction rule. Copy this restriction rule and Control F. Restriction rules. Create new rule. Then you have the rule name here, keep task private. And here is the criteria, user criteria, user criteria, user active equal Boolean true. So user criteria, field we have to select is active, choose equal Boolean true. Then enter record criteria. This is record criteria. Assign to ID user. Assign to ID user. And then we have user ID equal current user. So let us select first user ID. Choose. Then equal ID equal. And here we have the type instead of the ID current user. So we will change current user. And then here we have is user ID. User ID. Choose. Now, last is set as active. So here we have the checkbox, go up, is active, and save. Okay, let us check the result. Wow, this is so easy to complete. So I hope that you have enjoyed the session. Please do not forget to put the like and share your channel in your colleague. I will be coming up with the next video very soon.